In the world of reality television, few stories have captivated audiences like that of the Slayton sisters. The show, 1000 LB Sisters, has followed the emotional and physical transformations of Tammy and Amy Slayton for several years now, through medical milestones, family drama, health battles, and moments of deep vulnerability. But no one could have predicted what has just unfolded. Tammy Slayton, who for years battled critical obesity and life-threatening health conditions, now wears a smaller size than her younger sister Amy. The shock of this news isn't just in the number on a clothing tag, it's in what it represents, a complete reversal of roles between two sisters who have supported and sometimes resented each other on the long road to recovery. And now, in an ironic twist, the internet is buzzing with a clip of Tammy saying, "Try being my size, Amy," a phrase she once used to justify her weight but now echoes with a very different meaning. The weight loss journey that has redefined Tammy Slayton's life didn't happen overnight. In fact, for a long time, fans, family, and even doctors had almost given up hope that she would ever reach the turning point. Her hospitalizations, the tracheotomy, the oxygen support, and her refusal to stick to health plans made many believe her story would end in tragedy. But Tammy stunned everyone by doing something unexpected. She fought. And not just physically. She did the mental work, the emotional work, the hard work that comes from realizing your life is slipping away and you're the only one who can stop it. She entered rehab, underwent weight loss surgery, started walking on her own, and slowly but surely began peeling back layers of pain and pounds that weighed her down for decades. Meanwhile, Amy Slayton, who was always seen as the more mobile sister and the first to undergo gastric bypass surgery, seemed to be struggling with a reversal of fortune. After her initial weight loss success and the birth of her two children, Amy found herself overwhelmed. From post-pregnancy weight gain to navigating her divorce and adjusting to single motherhood, Amy's personal life has been filled with turbulence. Her focus shifted, understandably so, from her own health to her son's needs. But the toll that took on her physical well-being is now being highlighted in full glare of TLC's cameras and the ever-watchful eyes of social media. While Amy's struggles don't diminish her accomplishments, they do emphasize the current contrast between the sisters. This transformation isn't just numbers on a scale. It's about the public image of the Slayton sisters, and how drastically that image has changed. Tammy is now being praised not only for her dramatic weight loss but also for her apparent mental clarity and maturity. She's dressing differently, carrying herself differently, and appears to be more socially and emotionally engaged than she's ever been. A recent shopping trip captured in an episode showed her slipping into jeans that were not only a few sizes smaller than before but smaller than Amy's. The movement was understated on camera, but fans caught on. The TikTok clips, Instagram reels, and YouTube recaps erupted. Has Tammy really surpassed Amy in their weight loss journey? The answer, now confirmed by insiders close to the show's production, is yes. Tammy's words, "Try being my size, Amy," are now trending, but for the opposite reason than when he originally said them. The phrase has been turned into memes, re-edited clips, and even motivational slogans. Some fans cheer her on for her discipline and resilience. Others express concern about how this might impact Amy emotionally. And then there's the big question: how is Amy really reacting to this? Behind the scenes, sources reveal a mix of pride and pain. Amy is proud of her sister, that much is clear. She's been cheering Tammy on in her quiet ways, bringing her smoothies, walking beside her, even going ziplining with her. But it's impossible to ignore the visible unease that sometimes crosses her face when Tammy becomes the center of attention, when family members compare them out loud, or when the conversation drifts toward clothing sizes. In one clip, Amy is heard muttering under her breath, "It's not a competition." But is that entirely true? For the sisters, weight has always been tied to more than health. It's been about identity, survival, protection, and even attention. Tammy, who long felt like the forgotten one, finally finds herself in a position where her progress is not only being acknowledged but celebrated. Amy, on the other hand, is now grappling with what it means to possibly fall behind in a journey she once led. Their dynamic is shifting in subtle but undeniable ways. Viewers have pointed out how Amy, once the confident, outgoing one, now sometimes seems anxious or withdrawn in group scenes. Tammy, meanwhile, is cracking jokes, taking selfies, and even talking about dating again. She's embracing her new reality with a mix of sass and sincerity, and it's catching people off guard, in a good way. Of course, the show itself is amplifying these storylines, perhaps more than ever. TLC producers are leaning into the contrast, knowing full well that audiences are hungry for drama, redemption, and raw emotion. The juxtaposition of old clips of Tammy barely moving with new scenes of her walking unaided, wearing new clothes, and speaking with newfound confidence is nothing short of cinematic. But this also opens up questions about fairness, exploitation, and emotional toll. Is this good television at the cost of real human fragility? What's undeniable is that Tammy's smaller clothing size is now symbolic. It's more than fabric, it's the physical evidence of years of pain, sweat, determination, therapy, and change. It's the sum of her fight for breath, freedom, and a future. And while Amy may not be in her best season physically, she too is fighting for her mental health, for her children, and APS, in quieter ways, for her sense of purpose amid so many changes. Tammy has even spoken publicly about the moment she realized she had dropped below Amy's size. In a recent episode confession, she said, "I never thought I'd see the day. For so long, I looked up to Amy, like she had it all together. And now, I'm the one people say is an inspiration. It's wild, but I'm not rubbing it in. I just want to stay on this path." Her humility and awareness are refreshing, especially for fans who remember her from earlier seasons when she was defensive, combative, and often in denial. Amy's response, while less direct, came in the form of an emotional Instagram post featuring her boys in the caption, "They're my reason for everything. Even when I feel like I'm falling behind, I look at them and know I'm winning." It was both a proud and painful admission, showing that while the sisters' journeys may have diverged, they are still running the same race, for life, health, and healing. Family members have had mixed reactions too. Mishti, Amanda, and Chris have all commented on the transformation, with Chris saying, "It's like watching a miracle in slow motion. Tammy did the unthinkable. I'm just hoping Amy finds her groove again too. They both deserve it." Amanda, ever the blunt one, put it more directly, "I'm proud of Tammy. But I can see it's hard on Amy. And we gotta support both of them, not just whoever's winning this moment." As season 6 continues, viewer can expect more heart-to-hearts, more family therapy, and perhaps even more surprises. Rumors swirl that Tammy is planning to take on physical challenges she never would have dreamed of before, hiking, kayaking, and even participating in a plus-size modeling campaign. Meanwhile, Amy is reportedly considering a return to structured weight loss support and therapy to refocus her journey. The internet will continue to buzz. Fans will argue. Memes will fly. But at the heart of this unfolding story are two sisters, bonded by blood, shaped by trauma, and now navigating success and setbacks in real time. Tammy Slaton wearing a smaller size than Amy is a milestone, yes. But it's also a mirror held up to the complicated layers of self-worth, sisterhood, and transformation. The phrase, "Try being my size, Amy," may have started as a defensive quip. But now, it serves as an invitation, not to compete, but to understand. To walk in each other's shoes, whatever size they may be. And in that understanding, perhaps both sisters, and all of us watching, can find a little more compassion for ourselves and each other. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.